Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Reckless Love on the violin. We will begin by ensuring your instrument is perfectly tuned to the standard G, D, A, E strings. Proper posture is crucial, so hold your violin and bow with a relaxed, natural grip. Understanding the G major key signature, with its 1 sharp, F sharp, is essential. We will also cover fundamental bowing techniques to achieve a beautiful, consistent tone. Now, let's dive into the melody and fingerings. The core melody of Reckless Love predominantly resides on your D and A strings. Achieving accurate intonation for each note is paramount for a beautiful sound. You will primarily use your first and second finger positions, with occasional third fingers. Practice placing your fingers slowly and deliberately to ensure every note rings out clearly and in tune. This precision builds a strong foundation. Next, we'll explore bowing and dynamics to bring the song to life. Use long, sustained bows to create the expressive, flowing phrases characteristic of Reckless Love. Experiment with varying your bow speed and pressure to achieve dynamic contrast, from soft to loud. A gentle vibrato can add a beautiful warmth to your sustained notes. Practice smooth, seamless string crossings between the D and A strings for an uninterrupted melody. Finally, let's discuss effective practice and performance. Break the song into small, manageable sections, mastering each part before combining them. Utilizing a metronome is vital for maintaining a steady, consistent tempo throughout the piece. Listen to various recordings to internalize the song's emotional feel and phrasing. When performing, play with confidence and allow your emotional connection to the music to shine through, sharing its heartfelt message.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.